Hey, we got a quick little tutorial here of how to boost up your air conditioning in a Mustang GT 5.0. Right now the air conditioning isn't running very cool at all. So what you do is you turn the car on, make sure that your air conditioner is turned on. Yeah, it's not very cool at all. I'm going to turn the fan all the way up. We're just getting warm air. Okay, let's show you how to recharge it. I went down to the garage and they wanted $249. So what you do is you go down to the auto parts store and you get one of these manifolds and a can of the 13-4A refrigerant. You connect it right down there. That's your high pressure side where that blue fitting is, and it runs up here. It'll run to the valve. Then we open the refrigerant like so. You can see it's low. They'll turn it upside down a little bit. I don't know if that does any good or not, but there, it's already starting to charge. It's going up into the green, and that's what we want to see. As the compressor cycles off and on, you'll see this gauge go from low to green. You don't want it to get into the red where it says warning. There we go. Okay, now let's go check the temperature on the inside. Wow, I can feel a big difference. It's been about 2 minutes. That's wonderful. We'll let it run a little longer, and I just wanted to show you how simple and easy that is. It cost me about $12. All right, guys, I hope this helps.